You just found the 2019 Dodge Challenger. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Challenger delivers menacing power, controlled handling, advanced cockpit technology, fine craftsmanship, interior comfort, and engineering that prioritizes safety and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Experience the edginess of high performance with attitude in the Challenger. Take it out on the road today.